how to buy meme coins on DEX Screener. So first thing you want to do is go to their official website, which is dexscreen.com, and then on here you first want to sign in. So click sign in down here bottom left, and then you can sign in with either Google, Apple, or you can connect a wallet. So you usually want to use the Google account, of course, but if you want to, you can go with Apple, or you can connect with your wallet right away if you want to. Now once you have done that, you will of course have to get some Solana coins up here, and then once you have done that, you will have to find a coin inside here. So if you can find it over here, you're going to have to search for it. So of course there is a bunch of different coins on here. Most of them are likely scams, so of course be very aware what you do with it. But yes, if you still want to buy one of those coins, let's say I want to find something, so let's say I choose one, let's say I choose this one over here. I'm not saying buy it, I'm just going to show you how to do it. Click on it, and then over here on the very right, of course, you will see the price over here in the middle, and then all the information about the specific coin. And then here on the right, once you are logged in and once you have some Solana on your account, what you can do is press buy over here, and as you can see, you'll be able to see how much Solana you would like to buy these coins. And then if you don't have wallet connected yet, you will have to of course click connect a wallet over here. So you're going to have to install one, and then as you can see over here, you can see the priority fee over here, and then the platform fee as well. And then it says how much of the actual coin you will receive when you put in this amount of Solana or whatever you may be trading. So that's pretty much it. Once you have done that, you'll be able to simply click buy, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.